Ready to save big on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase, saving even more money than you see being listed here? Then this Hostinger VPS hosting discount video is for you. To take advantage of the Hostinger coupon code, click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Hostinger VPS hosting discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger VPS hosting plans page. Click the choose your plan button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger VPS hosting plans. You'll get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code I've included next to the link in the description. All the Hostinger VPS hosting plans come with one snapshot, weekly backups, dedicated IP address, full root access, and AI assistant. The KVM1 plan comes with one vCPU core, 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of NVMe disk space, and 4 TB of bandwidth. The KVM2 plan comes with 2 vCPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk space, and 8 TB of bandwidth. The KVM4 plan comes with 4 vCPU cores, 16 GB of RAM, 200 GB NVMe disk space, and 16 TB of bandwidth. The KVM8 plan comes with 8 vCPU cores, 32 GB of RAM, 400 GB NVMe disk space, and 32 TB of bandwidth. Click the Choose Plan button on the plan you want. I'll choose the KVM1 plan for this tutorial. Now let's save even more than what we see being listed here. Scroll down to the total section, click Have a Coupon Code. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. I'll click Apply. I'll scroll up to the top and you'll now see the new Hostinger discount amount showing for all the terms. Enjoy your Hostinger VPS hosting coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.